Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kami pala ay Group 3 at ito ang aming ginagawa, ang traffic lights. So dito, napapansin ninyo may code na ginawa para mapagana yung aming traffic lights. So yung ginagawa ng traffic lights, pag yung red ay naka-open, this tells driver to stop. Pag yung green naman po ay nakabukas, this means the driver can start driving on keep driving. Pag yung yellow naman po ay nakabukas, this tells driver to stop when it's safe to because the light is about to turn red. So, gumamit rin kami ng isang website o software na tinatawag na Tinkercad. So, dito, yung sa Tinkercad, pwede kang gumawa ng traffic lights. You can use, yung mga kailangan mo needs is Arduino Uno, LED lights, resistor, solid wire. So, dito, pwede kang gumawa ng kung anong gusto mo using Tinkercad. So, mapapansin nyo sa video,